I always recommend to people that are curious to find out about NFTs to buy the cheapest NFT that they can find just to get their toes dipped into the water and understand what it is. Because once you understand what it's like to own a wallet and what happens when you have a wallet and you start to interact with the applications that require for you to have a wallet, you see how the change is happening, right? We were talking about it. Currently, I'm working on the development of a metaverse. Uh, this is a small parenthesis. And we had to explain to the developer the fact that we are not interested in collecting data because by having a wallet, you don't need to do that anymore. And he was like, okay, that's weird. And I'm like, yeah, but that's the beauty of it, right? You now have the opportunity of owning everything on the blockchain and you do not have to share your data with anybody.